working on these surprise zoo animals. Each one has a surprise animal inside, and we're going to work on numbers and counting and colors to find them. Are you ready? Can you find the red one? That's right. Let's pick it up. What number is this one? This one is number 1. 1 dot to show the 1. Are you ready to see who's inside? Oh my goodness, it's such a cute panda bear. I love him. He's so cute. Let's put him back in and put him down. Can you show me where the yellow one is? That's right, here it is. And this one is the number 2. Can you count with me? 1, 2. Great job. Let's see who's inside. Do you know this animal? It's a koala. Aw, so cute. Now we're going to put the koala back. And can you find me the blue one? That's right, here it is. And this one is the number 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Now who do you think's going to be inside? Let's find out. Whoa! It's a rhinoceros. Look at his horn. Ooh. Let's put him back so we can find the green one next. Can you show me where green is? Here it is. That's right. Now what number are we on? This one is number 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great job. Look at a hippo. A hippopotamus. He's so cute. I love it. Now let's put it back in the green box so we can go on to find the purple one. Here it is! Awesome! And this one is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job counting! Who's inside, do you think? Oh my gosh, what a cute little monkey! That's right! Oh, he's so cute! What was your favorite animal that we found today? The panda, the koala, the rhino, the hippo, the monkey? Awesome! Now let's go on to another set so that we can find some more animals. Can you find the brown one for me? Here it is! Good job! This one's number 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Awesome job! Now the best part, who's inside? What is this animal? It's a giraffe! Good job! So cute! Now, can you find the teal color for me? Or maybe it looks more like green? Thank you for finding that. What a great job! This one is number 7. And we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome job! Who's inside? Oh, this one is a bear! Wow, he sure is a cute bear, isn't he? That's so cool! Now, where's the pink one? There it is! Awesome! This one is number 8. Good job! Now let's count. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And who's inside this one? It's a tiger. Look at his stripes. Aw, I love tigers. Now, can we find the orange one? There's the orange one. Let's look at it. It's the number 9. And we're going to go ahead and count to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job! Who's inside? Whoa, it's a lion! Roar! Lions are so cute. I love this one. Now, can you find me our last box, which is the gray box? Yep, there it is. And what number is this one? This one is number 10. Can we count all the way to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now let's see who's inside. Oh my goodness, it's an elephant. Brrr! Elephants are so big and so cool. I love it. Now we'll put them back. Oh, look at all the animals. I'm so happy that we got to hang out today and learn about colors and numbers and animals. And I can't wait to see you guys next time.